Hi guys! Welcome to Josie channel!
Hi kids! Welcome to Science 4, Quarter 4, Week 3, Lesson 5. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss about the uses of water in daily activities. Come on, let's have fun while learning. Here are the objectives. First, to explain the use of water from different sources in context of daily activities. Second, act out the different uses of water. Lastly, infer the importance of water in daily activities. To begin with, please bring out your notebook and answer these. You're going to identify the water source if it is seawater, fresh water, or groundwater. For number 1, it is the safe source of water. What's your answer? You're right, it is groundwater. For number 2, it is the small bodies of water like river, lake, creek, and pond. The correct answer is fresh water. Number 3, it is found in ocean or sea. What's the correct answer? You're right, it is seawater. For number 4, it is considered as the cleanest water and contains plenty of dissolved minerals. The correct answer is groundwater. And lastly, number 5, it sustains human, plant, and animal life. The answer is fresh water. I do hope you got a perfect score. Take a look at this picture. What is on the table? That's right. It is water or glass of water. Why do we need to drink water? That's right. To keep our body hydrated. Where do you think this water came from? Very good. How do you make our water safe for drinking? Correct. And now, let's have a group activity. It was entitled, How Do You Use Me? For group 1, you're going to answer about the concept map. For group 2, act it out. For group 3, decode the message. And group 4, collage it. You just follow the activity sheet given to you. You may now begin. And now, let's have your group presentation. Based on your activity, what are the different sources of water? Very good. We have 3 main sources of water. The first one is the seawater. Example, we have the sea. The next one is the fresh water. Example is a waterfall. And number 3, groundwater. Example is the spring. What are the daily activities that make use of water? Very good. Here are the uses of water. First, let's have the seawater. Seawater becomes the habitat of aquatic plants and animals. It also used for recreation, such as swimming, boating, surfing, and other activities. It also used as routes of transportation and marine navigation. Next is the fresh water. Fresh water is mainly used in domestic, industrial, commercial, and agricultural. For example, for cleaning, washing, bathing, food preparation, flushing the toilet, and doing household chores. This happened in our homes, restaurants, factories, and so on. A Aside from that, it also used to maintain or to sustain plants and animals. That is for watering the plants and for drinking of animals. Next, it is also used as recreation, such as swimming, boating, and other activities. Next, it's also routes of transportation, especially those who are live in the mountains or remote areas. Next, it is also used for irrigation and livestock watering and in factories. Lastly, it is also used for fertilizer application. So those are just some examples of uses of water under the freshwater. Last is the groundwater. It is used for drinking, doing household chores, and it is used also for irrigation and livestock watering and in factories. Are all sources of water safe for human consumption? You're right. Not all water are safe for human. What do you think will happen if we run out of water? You're right. We can't perform our activities well. What do you think is the water source of our fellow citizen that lives in remote areas? Very good. What will happen to our daily activities if there is scarcity of water? What about our environment? You're right. What else will be affected and in the end will suffer the most if we will not do something to protect, conserve it? You got it right. Based on our discussion, what is the importance of water? Very good. Here are the things that you should remember. Water is responsible for life to exist on Earth. We can use it in a variety of ways in our daily activities. Let us do our part in conserving water. Let us use water wisely and properly. If we do not conserve water, we might be faced with a big problem. Let us prevent making water scarcity and pollution as major problem of the world in the near future. Okay, kids? And for your sit work, infer the importance of water in daily activities. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Write your answer in your science notebook. You may now begin. And now, it's time to check your answers. For number 1, water is used in industries. The answer is true. Number 2, dirty water can no longer be used. The answer is false. Of course, we can also use the dirty water in flushing our toilet. Okay, next, number 3, water is used to clean our homes. The answer is true. Number 4, human can survive without water. It is false. And lastly, seawater is home to many aquatic animals. The answer is true. I do hope you got a perfect score. For your assignment, please list down 5 ways to conserve water at home. Write your answers in your science notebook. That's all for today, kids. Thank you, kids, for listening. See you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. God bless.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please also click the subscribe button. Thank you.